Let me get a few more questions here. Next question: who are current key partners, and who are you looking to partner with in the next 12 months?
Yes. So I think we are in a unique position where we are in the CoinMarketCap top 100 asset. I think we're in the 70s somewhere right now. But we do full SEC filings, right? So our company still, you know, follows the SEC regulations, and we any kind of like major business contracts, they get disclosed with public filings. So in general, like I cannot comment on future things, right? It's like one of the big things in following these regulations is public information should come out like in one go, and everyone should get that information like at the same time. So I can't generally comment on what will happen in the future, but I can tell you the stuff that's already public, right? So what's already public is staked.us came out, and they said that there will be a launch partner for the Stack 2.0 chain. You can use them as a delegation service. Like if you want to delegate your we call it stacking, right? It's similar to staking, but you want Bitcoin there. If you want to delegate to them, you should go and talk to stake.us. Recently, Chainlink came out, and they said that we will effectively have oracles available after the Stacks 2.0 launch, because once you have smart contracts, oracles become very important for these developers. And for our smart contract language, we didn't get to discuss this, but we have a new language called Clarity, and that is really focused on security. It basically gives formal proofs of correctness for these programs, meaning that a lot of problems we have seen with Solidity or uh, funds getting hacked or these reentrancy problems, it basically targets a lot of these things and brings that functionality to Bitcoin. Algorand came out and they said that they are partners in developing the Clarity programming language, and they can try to run that language on the Algorand chain as well, right? And then recently, OKCoin, which is a sister exchange of OKX, focused mostly on the U.S. markets. They came out and said that upon the launch of Stacks 2.0, they would be a launch partner and basically start U.S. trading as well. So these are some of the recent ones that came out publicly that we can discuss. But in general, people should stay tuned for more announcements. As you can imagine, the mainnet launch is the biggest event that has ever happened in the history of the project. So we have an entire launch event, and it's very exciting, and you'll get to hear more updates as we get closer to it.
And that's on the 14th of January?
Yeah, it's 14th of January.
All right.